Hey, loves, it's your girl Chef Joya. You said make a vegan etouffee? Let's go. I'm going to start off by adding in my vegan butter and oil and flour to make my roux, and I'm going to cook that over low heat for about 20 minutes until it's a caramel color. Next, I'm going to take my veggies and I'm going to dice those nicely. And I do like mine spicy, so I do add a jalapeno to this mix. Next, I'm going to add that to my roux and give it a nice stir. And be sure to screenshot all these ingredients on here because this is exactly where the recipe is going to be. After that, I use the seasonings that I listed out in this video before I add my tomato paste and my water. Then I'm going to add in my vegan chicken bouillon and some vegan fish sauce. And don't fret if you can't find a fish sauce, a little bit of vegan Worcestershire sauce and kelp seasoning will work. Next, we're going to add in our hot sauce and my amazing Cajun seasoning, which is absolutely delicious, with some black pepper and smoked paprika. We're going to be using hearts of palm instead of crawfish, and we rinse that off in hot water and season it with my amazing Cajun seasoning and a little bit of olive oil and cooked it over medium high heat for about 5 minutes. Now, our etouffee has been going for about 30 minutes over low heat, and it has thickened up very nice, and it is super rich. We're going to add in some green onion and our hearts of palm and cook for about another 5 minutes. This is where we're going to add in our cooked rice, and you can leave it plain, or I like to season mine with a little bit of turmeric, vegan chicken bouillon, and rosemary. This is absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you to try it out. Be sure to click the link in my bio for more. Ciao.